Nice, I love it, guys. So basically I'm going to do a Julie melon. So, we're gonna make a fruit salad, but it's gonna just be a simple like a fruit salad, not really to one of those fruit salads I normally make, you know? Something simple today. Alright, let's go in the kitchen and start up some fireball now. Passion fruits, I got some passion fruits and all these things. We got a Julia melon. Alright guys, so I don't want to lose this, I want to keep it. Stick here for me. And I got a sweet mango. First thing, wash off these things. You know what I mean? You must always wash your stuff down. A lot of people doesn't wash things. And I always mention it in my video. Guys, wash your stuff. It's important. First thing, we're gonna remove the skin from the mango. Alright. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Remove the skin from the mango. In Jamaica, oh, mango always nice. We always have mango right straight through the year. You know what I mean? Same thing in England, you know. Always have mango straight through the year. So that's the first thing you wanna do. Man, look at this. Really nice. Let's taste the mango. Guys. That's really nice. I'm just gonna cut it up. Just like this. I love mango. Really nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my God, I have to eat the mango seed. Really nice, guys. The mango is so nice. Really, really nice. Simple little recipe, you know. And now we got some strawberry. No, we don't have strawberry today. Sorry about that. But we got some grape. This is some grape. Put some grape inside of it to bring up the flavor and color and looks. You know? Yeah. That's the way it goes in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. And these are some cherries. I'm just gonna put the cherries in it. That's gonna look different. So this is some blueberry. I love blueberry. I'm gonna make that blueberry pancake recipe. It will be on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, cooking show. Put the blueberry in it like this. That's beautiful. Then this is how the melon look. I just use half of this melon. So you use a spoon and take out the middle. And then just simple. Alright, I will show you how you can remove the skin from it. Alright? You can side peel it like this. If you don't want to cut yourself and, you know what I mean, cause anything danger to yourself, put it on a piece of a bowl and simple remove the skin like this, especially if you have a sharp knife. And then Just like this. Simple. Simple, guys. See? Look at that. That is beautiful. That's exactly what I'm talking about. I got some apple. You know, Chef Ricardo loves apple. So we're going to put some apple. Inside of it. Just using 2 medium-sized apples. Alright guys. You see this kind of fruits? You can have it for breakfast, you know what I mean? Yeah, these are like breakfast recipe. This is some long time I get some pear and all them things there. Knife so sharp. A lot of people say to me, Chef Ricardo, where you get these knives from? I think I should start selling these knives. A very good knife. Let's give it a mix. You know what I mean? It's a simple little recipe, guys. Honestly, it's nothing too complicated where you guys can make this at home. Alright, that's finished. So what I'm gonna do is give it a full recipe of what's going on. Alright, make that stay right there. Just gonna get 2. This is 2 bowls. Lovely, nice. This is how I start, and we're going to share some fruits. Alright. And if you share the fruits just like this, it's gonna be a simple way of how to get your fruits inside of this bowl today. Alright guys, look at that. Is that beautiful? And it's just so easy and simple. Nice. Passion fruits is a must. If you love passion fruits, then what you're gonna do? Simple. Yeah. Because the seeds of the passion fruits is really good for you guys. Just scrape it out like this. I love passion fruits. See that? That is fantastic and beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and also we definitely will give you the latest update recipe from Chef Ricardo team, which is gonna be coming very soon. This is just a new recipe and new ideas which I have to share with the fans. Enjoy it. and I will see you next time, guys. Bye bye.